Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I hope you're having a great Sunday. Sorry for not posting a video for a few days. Sometimes I think you've just got to listen to yourself and know when it's time to take a rest. But I was looking at today's 2 out of 10 Sudoku, and it looks quite an interesting one, a slightly different structure from normal, so I thought it'd be fun to take a look at it together. Here we are. So why is it different? Well, what's interesting is you've got these three columns. You can see a column here, and column here. So the only joins between different squares are vertically, and you've got three columns that are entirely independent. So it's going to be interesting to see how we bridge from one over to the next. Anyway, let's take a look. So as ever, first of all, let's just go through and start putting in any of the gimmies we can find, any of the clues. There's obviously an 8, 9 in here. You can see here we can make a column of 8 complete cells and squares, see these add up to 44, making this a 1 to make it 45. We can make that a 9. Play the same trick here, making this cell a 5 and that a 1. Beyond that, again, it's interestingly lean on the clues. So beyond that, we're going to have to start bridging out. So I mean, we can already see here 5, 8, 9. We can't have a 5, so it's 6, 7, 9 in here, which means we can resolve this. Take 6s and 7s. Okay, got to be an 8 in here. Look, so here we can't have an 8, not in that or that. So that is going to have to be an 8. That's going to have to be a 4. Take the 8 and the 4 out of there. Take a 4 out of there, making this a 1, 5. Making that, therefore, a 2, 4. 1, 2, 4, 5 we can take out of here. 4, 5, 5. Not quite there yet. Let's have a look. 4's out of there. 2's and 4's out of there. Let's start back in the middle. So 5 and 9 out of that. So we can pop a 6, 8 in here. We can take 1's and 6's out of there. What about this? 9's, 6's and 8's. Okay, so that's a 4, 7. So we can take the 3, 4 out, making this actually a 2, 5. And what are we missing in this square? We're missing a 3, making that a 3, 9. Make that a 1, 4, because it can't have a 3 in it. And then here we can take 1's, 3's, and 4's out. So this has got to be a 2, 7. So we can take a 2 out of here and a 1, because there's 1 already in that square, making this a 3, 4. What's missing in here? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6, making that a 3, so we can take 3 and 6 out of here, making this 2, 5, and then this is going to be whatever's left over. It can't be 4's or 5's, so this is a 6, 7, 8, and that all works quite nicely. We can quickly resolve that. Where else can we go? We've already looked at that one. We can take a 5 out of here, making that 3, 9. Does that give us anything else? Yes, it does. It gives us a 1, 8 here in that order, thanks to that 1. An 8 out of there. We take a 4, 8 and a 3, 9 out of here, making this a 5, 7. Now, what are we missing in this square? Missing a 2 and a 6. So 2 couldn't go in there. So that's going to have to be a 6 with a 7. This is going to have to be a 2 with a 9. So here we can't have 2. Now this is 3, 6, 8. Can't have 3 and 8 in that column, look. So 3 and 8 can come out of there, and a 6 can come out of here. And then that makes this a 1, 4, which works nicely. And we can take a 1, 4 out of there, so that's a 2, 3, 5. We can clean 2's out of there, thanks to that pair. A 3, 5 out of there, thanks to that. That 2 comes across here to clean these 2. 6 out of there. 9 comes to here, cleans that. 2 comes across here, gives us a 5, 2 like so. 7 comes across, let's just clean that up. I think that's about it for now. Let's see how we start bridging onto this very last side. First of all, we can combine these 8 to make 44, giving us a 1, 4 here. What can we take out of here? 1, 6's and 9's. 1, 9, 9, 6, 6, 1. So not quite there with that one yet. We'll take a 1 out. This one, we can take 7s out, because look, these two block all the squares. 4, 9 out of there. We can take 4s out of this. And look, 2, 5 in the same row. In fact, 2's there as well. This can't be a 2, 5. That's got to be a 1, 6. So we can take 1, 4, 6 out of here. We can take all 6 out of there, making this a 5, 8. There's an 8 there, so it's 5, 8 like so. Take the 8 out, gives us a 7, 3 like that. And what are we missing here? We're missing, we've got a 1, we're missing a 2, we've got a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is nice because you can't have a 9 in a 9 cage. So that's going to have to be a 2, 7, and this is going to have to be a 9, 1. 1 comes across here and cleans that up, which cleans those up, which comes here and cleans those up. So what are we missing in this row? Missing a 9, and that makes that a 6. 1 and 6 comes out, so we can make that a 5, 3 thanks to that. And here we're missing an 8, and then what else are we missing? We're missing a 2 and a 1, 2, 3 and a 4. Yep, there's a 4 there, so we can resolve that immediately. Then here we can take a 3 out thanks to that 3, so this makes it a 2, 6. Still can't get that one, but we can get this one. We can take these 6 out, making this a 3, 8, 9, but look, got 3 and a 9 there, so it makes an 8 with a 9 and a 3 thanks to that. So here we can't have 3s, but we can have 4, 5, 7. 7 there and there. Take 7s out of that. So that's the 7 in the middle then. There's a 5 here, so 5 and 4. So now it's just a case of cleaning up. This 4 comes across here like so. This 3 comes across and gives us an 8, 3 like that. Then this 8 cleans those two for us. The 6 cleans that up. The 2 comes across here and cleans those. The 5 comes across likewise. Now 7 gives us an 8 there, so that cannot be an 8. 6, 7, and then the 7 comes across here, 7 and 5. And then in this column, look, we've got a 9 and a 7. So take those out, makes it a 6. And then here, we've got a 7 and a 9. That wasn't too tricky in the end. I thought it was going to be a bit more tricky with this interesting structure. Quick 2 out of 10 for the Sunday evening. I hope you enjoyed watching this quickly. If you've got any feedback, please leave a comment or a thumbs up. It'd be great to hear from you. If you'd like to see more, please consider subscribing. Despite the gap of the last few days, we will be posting videos almost every day. And thanks for watching, and have a great rest of your day.